Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel that's dedicated to helping you with all your file recovery needs. Today we have an important topic to address, which is how to fix when your Mac won't boot into recovery mode. Now, this is a common issue faced by Mac users, but we've got some tried and true methods to get you back on track. Before we dive in, if you're also curious about troubleshooting your Mac in safe mode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let's get started. Before we delve into the solutions, let's first understand what recovery mode is. In simple terms, recovery mode is a built-in Mac OS utility designed to troubleshoot various issues within your Mac. It provides a set of tools and options that allow you to perform tasks like reinstalling Mac OS, restoring from backups, and even accessing the safe mode Mac for disk management. With that in mind, let's move on to the heart of the matter, how to fix Mac when it won't boot into recovery mode. The first method we're going to explore is resetting the System Management Controller, or SMC. This can often resolve power-related issues which could be causing the problem. And here's how you can do it. Firstly, shut down your Mac. If it's a laptop, unplug the power cord from the side of the computer, and if it's a desktop, unplug the power cord from the outlet. Next, hold down the Shift, Control, Option, and Power keys simultaneously for 10 seconds. Finally, release all the keys and plug your Mac back in. The issue should hopefully now be resolved, but if not, the next thing to try is safe mode. Another effective approach is to boot your Mac in safe mode. This starts your Mac with the bare minimum system requirements, which can help identify and potentially resolve the issue. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, restart your Mac. As soon as you hear the startup chime, hold down the Shift key until you see the Apple logo and a progress bar. Once it's fully booted, restart your Mac normally. If booting your Mac in safe mode doesn't work, then using a time machine backup can be a lifesaver. It allows you to restore your system to a previous state when it was functioning properly. Here's a step-by-step instructions on how to do it. Firstly, restart your Mac computer. Boot into recovery mode by either holding down the Command and R keys for older Macs, or by holding the power button down on newer Mac computers. Once it loads, select the Options tab. Then follow the on-screen prompts to recover your system using Time Machine. If none of the previous methods have worked, creating a bootable installer can be a powerful solution. This allows you to perform a clean installation of Mac OS while still preserving your files. Here's what you need to do. Prepare a USB drive that has a capacity of at least 16 GB and download the Mac OS installer from the App Store. Use a tool like DiskMaker X to create a bootable installer. Restart your Mac while holding down the Option key and select the installer from the list of available drives. In some cases, you may need to resort to internet recovery. This allows you to reinstall Mac OS from Apple's direct servers. It's a bit of a last resort, but it can be an absolute game changer, and here's how to do it. Firstly, restart your Mac computer. Boot into recovery mode by either holding down the Command and R keys for older Macs, or by holding down the power button on newer Mac computers. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Mac OS. So there you have it, 5 powerful methods to get your Mac back into recovery mode. Remember, each method is versatile and practical, so feel free to choose the one that best fits your situation. Now let's tackle the critical task of recovering lost files on your Mac. We'll be using the trusted tool Wondershare Recoverit that supports the recovery of a wide range of file types. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. Firstly, download and install Wondershare Recoverit from the official website. Next, launch Recoverit and choose the location where your lost files were originally stored. The software will now begin scanning your selected drive for any lost files that can be restored. Once the scan is complete, you can preview all the files that have been found. Choose the ones you wish to recover and save them to a new location on your computer. Remember, when it comes to data recovery, swift action is crucial for the best chance of success. Thanks for sticking with us through this guide. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content just like this. Leave a comment down below with any questions or suggestions, and remember to give us a thumbs up if you're leaving with a fixed Mac computer. Be sure to hit that notification bell too so you don't miss out on our future uploads, and I'll see you in the next video.